Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of May, 2023. Apple stock is about to crash. What do you think about it? Could it? Is it? Is the high end in the market for Apple? Let's break this thing down. You guys can see that I did a price prediction in Apple. First of all, taking us all the way back, telling you all that the market in Apple was still a buy right there on May the 3rd. Now, needless to say, we identified a resistance area during that time, and it was right here on this upper horizontal line, which is around like 176.50, and the market in Apple came to this particular price on the 19th. Now, take a look. Charts don't lie. After that particular day, May the 19th, what has price done? 2 days. Price has gone down in Apple. Was that the high in Apple on the 19th? Very much could be. Let's talk about it. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of this because the market did hit our first area of TP, which is around 4.62%. Congratulations to those who was able to skim some profit off of that particular run. And here we are today. Okay, here we are. Now, it's been a great run at Apple. Like, let's keep it real. It's been fantastic for the first half of 2023 in Apple. But as all things in life, all good things must come to an end. Could this be the end of Tesla or the highs? Let's see. Now, I'm going to look at this on a 2-day chart first. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. And again, we wanted to see a continuation of move higher in Apple off of this 2-day price bar, right? We want to see that. Now, it's not out the woods, out the realm of possibility that it won't happen again. But currently, there is weakness in the market. People are selling Apple here, okay? That's what's going on now. We need to see another indication, like on this 2-day price bar, of Apple breaking its head, trying to push price above this resistance area. We need to continue to see that. And the way that we can tell that that's going on is if the market continues to trade right in this range. If the market in Apple continues to hold this area and we're still getting indicators of strength, then yes, the market is not through going higher. I'm just going to tell you straight. So that is what we're going to be on the lookout for going forward throughout the rest of May, going into June. We want to see if the buyers are still accumulating, buying the stock in Apple right around here. We want to see that, because if so, then we're still running the probability, the chances of looking for Apple to continue to go higher. Okay, so this is the current completed 2-day price bar there. So yes, we're still weak in Apple. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so we have 8 hours and 37 minutes. The completion of today's trading day. If the market in Apple closes down here on the low, we're still weak. Now, not only did we get rejected at 176 in Apple here on this 3-day price bar, on the next leg higher, if we see Apple trade even below 175, we're definitely still weak. Okay, so keep those two areas in mind. Let's look at the market in Apple, in Apple on the 5-day. Okay, 5-day chart. In the next day and 9 hours, so the conclusion of this trading week, if this 5-day price bar looks the way that it looks now, yeah, we're still weak. Okay, and you might want to begin to think, okay, how low could price go in Apple? Right? Might as well start thinking about that, because one area that I can see from a 5-day time frame would be around 168. That would be the first target. Okay, so you guys can see where the selling is coming in. This is the 7-hour chart in Apple. We saw a quick run up here, and now we're seeing a quick run down. These indicators is telling you that sellers are in the market in Apple. Okay, this up fake, this push go down bar, and then another one. So that's why the market currently is going down on the 7-hour chart. Now, from looking from this perspective, the next logical area, like I said, is around like 167.50, 168. That will have to be the first target for us. Second target would be around 166. And then 164. Okay. So first target is 168. Second target 166. 164. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. And like I said, we're going to look for the market to go lower initially into the market in Apple. Like I said, I'm not looking for a crash or anything of that sort. But we have to see that there's a greater chance for Apple to go to the downside. That first target was at 168. Okay, so that's only 2% move to the downside. Okay, 2%. 168, 167.99. Second one is going to be around 166. That is 3 1/4. You guys can see it there, 165.99. And then the third target is going to be at 164, which is only 4.38% move to the downside. So like I said, it's not a lot, but until we find more interest, demand, buyers coming into the market in Apple, this is how price, in our estimation, is going to move. The sooner that we find the buyers, the better. The sooner that we find price in Apple do this, trade this way, up here at these prior areas of resistance, the better. So that's what we're going to be on the lookout for. That's what we're going to look at. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know, what do you guys think? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.